right? So one of the application is about finding the number of factors, right? If you remember in the first video we did for 24, what were the factors we did? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24, right? These are the factors. How many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factors, right? So this is definitely going to take you time if you're trying to actually list them out. What if the number is 342 and I'm asking you to find the number of factors, right? So let's focus on this first. I'll just do the prime factorization for that. So it's 2 into 12, 2 into 6, 2 into 3. That's basically 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. I'm having 2, 1, 2, and 3 thrice, and 3 is 1, so it's 3 power 1. So the formula for a prime factorization, if there's a number n, which I can write it as 2 power a into 3 power b into 5 power c and so on, the number of factors are, I just focus on the powers of each and add 1 to them and multiply. A plus 1 into b plus 1 into c plus 1 and so on. Right, for this case 24, I have 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. So technically 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 is 4 into 2 is basically 8, which is what we have got here, right? That is how you do for the number of factors. Sometimes I see students getting confused. Let's say I'll pick a number like 35. It's basically 5 and 7, right? So 35 can be written as 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. So I'm not seeing 2 power something, 3 power something, right? So do not worry, just take the powers that are only there. You don't need to write for everything. So technically also 2 power 0 is 1. So if there is no 2, that's like 2 power 0. So if I do the formula, it will be 0 plus 1, that is 1, right? A plus 1. So you just can ignore them. Just focus on the things you have, right? So 5 power 1, so 1 plus 1. 7 power 1, so that's 1 plus 1. That's 2 into 2 is 4. That means there are 4 factors for 35. Right? That's fundamentally 1, 5, 7, and 35 are the 4 factors. So next, there's something on the sum of factors, right? Let's again do this one. 24, right? The factors are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Sorry, 3 as well. 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So sum of factors are basically adding this, right? 3, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, plus 6, 16, plus 8, 24, plus 12, 36, plus 24 is if I have to, so 24 is fundamentally 2 power 3 into 3 power 1, right? So if I have to find the sum of factors, what I need to do is this one, 2 power 3 can be, right? Right, I'll just first do this, then write the formula. That's why it sort of makes you feel it's better than 2 power 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1, right, into 3 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. 2 power 3 plus 1 is 2 power 4. That's basically 16, right? Minus 1 is 15 by 1. 3 power, this is fundamentally 3 square 9 minus 1 by 2. That's 15 into 8 by 2. 15 4s are 60, right? So what did I do for sum of factors? If there's a number n, that is a format 2 power a into 3 power b into 5 power c and so on. For each of this, what would I do? I write 2 power a plus 1. Then I have to subtract 1. And the denominator I write 2 minus 1. Into 3 power for 3 b plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Right? And I do it so on. Right, how I did it. So again to repeat, so I see 2 power 3 here. So to the power 3 I'll add 1. So it will become 2 power 3 plus 1, that's 2 power 4. Then I subtract 1 from the value of 2 power 4 divided by 2 minus 1. Similarly for 3 I have 3 power 1 here. So I'm adding 1 to the power, so it will become 3 square minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Right? So that's what we do to get the sum of factors. These are like there are a lot more applications with respect to prime factorization, finding the factors, different types, and all. But this is good enough in terms of basics to solve most of the problems that appear in multiple exams. Right, so this is asking us to find the number of factors and sum of factors, application of prime factorization, which you have done already. So again, pause the video and try this problem. So first I'll factorize it, right? So 2 into 39, 3 into 30, right? So that's fundamentally 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 13 power 1. The number of factors, I'll only focus on the powers, right? For 2 it's 1 plus 1, for 3 it's 1 plus 1, and 13 it's 1 plus 1. That's fundamentally 2 into 2 into 2. There are 8 factors. For sum of factors, I just have to do 2 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 3 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into 13 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 13 minus 1. This is 2 power 2 4 minus 1 3 by 1, 3 square 9 minus 1 8 by 2, 13 square is 169 minus 1 is 168 by 13 minus 1 is 12. Right, 2 4s are 4 3s are 12, so that means I'm getting 168. So the sum of factors is 168. Right, I might have done the calculation at a bit faster pace. So if you are confused, do pause and try it on your own. Right, you might take time, but you should not be getting it wrong because the calculations are pretty straightforward here.